Hi, and welcome to the N2WS Academy. My name is Cynthia Santos, Senior Solution Architect here with N2WS. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up resources using the CPM backup tag. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that you need to enable is the Scanned Resources feature. This is located on the left menu on the accounts that contain the resources that you want to protect. So on the left menu, click Accounts, find the AWS account or Azure account where you want to enable tag scanning and click Edit. You're going to see Scanned Resources. Go ahead and select it and then select all of the resource types where you want to utilize this feature and click Save. After you do this portion, the next item is going to be to create a backup policy for your resources. Click Policies, New, and then Azure Policy, and we're going to call it Tag Test. I select my account, my subscription, and I'm going to do for simplicity just a daily backup. Now, typically, if you were using a regular method, you would click here, Add Resources, select Virtual Machine, and then manually click the resource that you want to add. But in this case, we're going to add it via tags. So I'm going to leave this portion empty and click Next one more time. DR, we're going to leave it as default, and then save the policy. Now, as you noticed before, there's no backup targets. So I'm going to show you how to add a backup target here. The easiest way is to go to your backup target. So this could be VMs, disk, SQL Server, anything that you want to add to this backup policy. And you're going to add the CPM backup tag. So this is the name. And then the value is the name of your policy, which in this case is tag test. And click apply all the way at the bottom. Now that I've added this tag to my resource, I'm going back to the N2WS server and I'm going to enable this functionality so it does it right away and I can show you what is the expected result. On the top right-hand side, on the server settings, there is a tag scanning switch that needs to be enabled. So by default, this feature is not automatically turned on. So what you need to do is you go to the tag scanning and select it to do this. It would do that tag scanning every 6 hours by default. But I want to do it now so that you can see how it works. So I'm going to do a scan now here at the bottom. And then I'm going to hit save so that the feature is turned on and it will perform this activity every 6 hours. Now, when I go back to my policy, if I select edit and I go to my backup targets, now it contains the resource that I added the tag. So if you added the tag to multiple instances, VMs, disk, SQL Server, it will add the resource here to your backup policy. Okay, I hope everybody has enjoyed this video and see you in the next series.